What's up guys, Owen here, and today I've got another football video with Owen. Today we're going to be doing the Woodwork challenge, which I've never done on my channel before. We're not going to be doing rules, we're just going to be doing so you can hit them in any order. Usually you do right post, crossbars, left post, but today we're just going to be doing any orders, you can hit them in any order. This will probably be a quick video because I've only got a night to edit this, but yeah, let's get on to it.
Right, I'm going to start and I'm going to try and get the crossbar just over and done with straight away.
Oh! Right, so I'm going to do the same thing as Owen and go for crossbar.
Switch out, let's go for right post.
Not taking skimmers!
No.
We're not taking skimmers!
No, Owen,
we're not taking skimmers!
I'm going to go for the crossbar or left post. And again.
Oh, 2 times in a row! I'm going to go for the right post, I feel like it should be easier. Oh, too much!
Right, let's just go for the right post and like get a clean hit this time.
Oh. I'm going to go for the one that no one's gone for. I'm going to go for the left post. Oh, that was so close!
I'll follow Owen on that one, the one I haven't gone for yet.
Right post. Left.
Yes! I called right post and then said left post.
Time to end this. Oh my god, that was so close!
Right, this is going on too long now. Come on.
Oh my god, I skimmed every time!
I did not skim.
Yes! Come on! Right, so I won that one 3-0. Owen's got very close. Because that was so quick, we're going to be doing a second round just a little bit pushed further back. So yeah, let's go. Owen's going to go first again.
That was proper top bin.
If that was last video, check it out. Owen could not get top bin. Well, he did, but I won it. Look at the score of the whole video if you haven't seen it already. Crossbar.
Right, let's just go for the crossbar. Let's just get the first one over and done with, you know. Let's.
Done it. Crossbar done.
Left post.
Oh dear. Okay, that's crossbar done. Come on. That was a back right post. Right post.
Close enough last time.
Oh, that's shocking.
I'm smashing it.
Oh! Sun's come out a bit more. I think I can hit this left post. And he's got it! That was such a clean hit!
Oh, kill yourself.
Yes, anyway, if you did enjoy that video, that's been me and Owen, please subscribe and like. Just 100 subscribers, in a few weeks there'll be a 100 subscriber special. I'm not really sure what I'm doing yet, it'll be a surprise. But anyway, that's been it, thanks for watching and peace!